全日制，全日制，全日制，全日制，全日制。
This is the one and only Halloween event. It's here. It's at Ocean Park. It's been here. We own Halloween. I want to welcome you for joining a world-class show program. You've got a world-class production team. You've got a great makeup team. You've got great talent coaches. You've got great support around the companies. And you have a chance to really help us put a brand new mark on the event, which has become really one of the very best in the world.
Halloween 嘅氣氛係
一個好大感染力，令到我由一個 part time 就成為咗一個全職嘅員工啦。
好大嘅一個製作，大家會 spend 好多時間一齊去諗，因為係一個團隊嘅製作。
就係為咗呢20幾日嘅 Halloween 嘅節日裏邊就去拼勁，每一個人都好集中。
一個團隊，所有人呢幾個月裏邊咧，真係不眠不休，同一個goal，同一個目標，就係令到卡路偉全日制成功。
每一個 attraction 裏邊去失敗嘗試，失敗嘗試，點樣令嗰個氣氛加強？
好多人返工都會好悶，咁喺度做嘅好處就係你每一年每一日都會有唔同嘅挑戰，因為每年嘅主題都唔同啊，出面好難有呢啲機會。
你覺得點樣先至可以做到鬼啊？
面容要夠扭曲啦。
我哋每一個人都好瘋狂、好開心啊、好團結嘅。除咗話你嚟玩之外，其實你仲可以係參與其中一部分，你係其中一個人。咁今年咧，我哋目標就聘請1000個演員，
吸納更多新血啦，入到嚟我哋團隊嗰度，
一齊去建立一個演出，
更好嘅嘢，
做一個好嘅 show 俾大家。
你都會知道有好多人會欣賞你。
點樣開心法啊？係咪咧？想知？
5、6、7、8。
入嚟試下咪知咯。